Well, hello artists, welcome to the Impossible Kingdom, where I hope to use these Sketchamole cards today. I have my Sketchamole box. There's 66 of these. They all have a bunch of different prompt words on them. So I'm going to pull random cards out, see what we're going to draw. If you want to get your supplies, I might do colored pencil today, colored pencil and Sharpie, and just this paper or just regular white paper if you want. Whatever you're feeling, make it your art. I'm going to draw these cards and see where our Imagine starts to take us. Imagine where our Imagine takes us. Let's see here. So we have UNICYCLE. We'll go with that. UNICYCLE. Somewhere else in here we have a chicken on a unicycle, or we have a bathroom unicycle. Okay. I like this. And then somewhere else down here. Again, I'm not looking. I don't know what we're gonna pull out here. Polka dots. Let's see. Unicycle, polka dots, bathroom. Sounds fun. I'm gonna put 5 minutes on the clock. No, I'm not. Unicycle, bathroom, polka dots. Let's see where that takes us. I don't know.
That's a toughie.
Unicycle, bathroom, polka dots, Sketchamole. Mix it all up together in your imagination. Get your tools ready, and let's begin. So the first thing I like to do when I start these weird Sketchamoles is to try and think of the main shape. It's either going to be a unicycle or a bathroom. Maybe it's a toilet, or it could be a bathtub. Let's do a bathtub so it's different. So bathtub on a unicycle. So unicycle is one wheel, like a bike with one wheel. And then polka dots on that bathtub. That sounds fun. Okay. So I'm going to start this off. Let's make it a cool bathtub. I don't know if there's somebody in this. You know what? Maybe I'll have a pair of legs coming out of here. There. So I have a foot in here. Whoa, this is a horrible leg. And then another one. Okay. And then a bathtub here. We go around this thing. It's gonna have an angle on it this way. Need to have water around there. These legs are just coming out of here somehow. Someone's underwater. And then that's a big block foot. Looks like I might be underwater here. And then on here, we need polka dots on here. All right, so we have polka dots on there. We're gonna get this bike going, and it's gonna have one. I'm gonna have one little wheel, but this wheel's gonna really be hurting. Okay, just real quick, if you need to draw a circle, you can put your. All right, there's the dot. Put your finger, kind of whatever finger you want, but put your finger there, hold your pencil real still, and then when you spin your paper, you knock everything over that's around you. Wow.
If you need to draw a circle, you put your hand down, and then all you have to do really is spin your. If you can hold your pencil pretty still.
You can pivot off of any finger here, but basically just pull your paper around gently, and so we're pretty close to a circle. That's what I did. So this tire is really working because it's so heavy. Because water's really heavy. So I'm gonna draw the center spool here, and then this attaches to that with there's always a chain on here. And the pedals come off of there. One will be on this side like that. The other one will be on this side, on that side, and then there's gonna be a chain that goes around this. That'll be on the back side. And no, I have never ridden a unicycle. I know everyone is wondering. All right, so we're gonna make some spokes on this wheel. Looks like a wagon wheel, man. These spokes are crazy. All right, I'm gonna keep the rim circular, and this tire is just gonna be struggling there. There we go. Okay. That's fun. Okay, so we have our preliminary sketch done here, and then now I'm going to find my pen here, my Posca. I'm going to ink this, and I will have something to color in here in just a second. So of course, you don't have to always do the same kind of thing as I'm doing. I just happen to like this style of having something to fill in before I color. So if you know what you're doing better then do that. Okay. And then these legs. Alright, and then this leg here. Alright, please ignore this foot. My foot is not a human's foot, but rather a different species of foot. Look, I really wanted it to look like a foot, but it doesn't. So, alright, so I made a bubble pop there. Trying to make these as circular as possible, these polka dots. Okay. Now this is going to come down. There's a center bolt here. I assume somebody knows how to ride this bathtub unicycle. I unfortunately wouldn't. Okay. And then again, this unicycle tire. I think the rim would stay round and then be flat on the bottom. I'm going to bring one of these sides in, and then from there I'm going to make these spokes, a bunch of spokes. I'm trying to think of this as like a pizza pie, but I don't think that's the right approach, because spokes actually look like they're every which way on a bike. They wrap around the middle, and I'm sure some bike aficionado now can... There we go. Okay. That looks pretty good. And then a little slice of shadow down here. Okay. That's what I'm going to go with for now. I'm going to add a little bit of color to this. Actually, I'm going to throw a little erase on some of this. I'm going to put white in here. When those pencils come in new, it's funny because they're so stubby, like the tips are so stubby. It's kind of weird, but I don't know who ever uses them like that. I know I don't. Maybe I'll make these legs coming out like alien legs or something. All right, so I want this tub to be white porcelain-y tub, and then we'll go back over it and add the dots. What color do you think the dots should be? You do the dots whatever color you think they should be, and we'll make a color here. Let me see. Okay, so this stuff's getting pretty white. Looks pretty good. I'm actually gonna make this down here white as well. Just that. Just that. I'm gonna say these dots should be pink. Like true polka dots. Wow. Notorious for breaking tips for some reason. A very heavy hand. I don't know. But wow, another man. Let's try this again. Okay, I gotta stop pushing so hard. Okay. Now the center of this tire should be silver, I think, and then each of these spokes and rim will be silver. That's kind of nice. Even the pedals, maybe even the chain will be silver. That kind of works. And the sprocket back there. I got one line back here. Alright, so we have white and silver. What color is this water? Should we just do blue water? Kind of stereotypical ocean water in here? Sure. Alright, I'm gonna add a little darkness to this. Okay, here's that. So we have the watercolor. This tire needs to be black. So I'm gonna make that black. Last thing, let's put some color on these legs here. Let's start with a peachy kind of color. I'm gonna add a little more color. Hopefully your foot looks more like a foot than mine, but look, once I put ink on it, it's kind of hard to change that. All right, all I'm going to do here is add a few more tiny touches bubble popped. I'm just gonna clean up a few lines here. And that pencil hits, man. That just kills my line work. I think what I'm gonna do on the polka dots, I'm gonna have lines on them. Go back over with another Posca and add even a little more color to this. And you're getting a lot of color on here. The wax from the pencils is blocking the flow of the ink. So be aware, if you use good color pencils, it might block your ink flow. Okay. A little warm gray to hint at the shadows in here. Yeah, that kind of helps. Just want a little definition on this shape, and that does it. Yeah, that works. Man, another broken tip. I don't know what I'm doing. One down. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add some couple of highlights on here. That about does it for my bathtub with polka dots on a unicycle. I hope you had fun drawing yours, whatever you came up with. Be proud of it, stick it up, tell people what it is and where it came from, and that it came from your imagination. I hope you had fun. We will see you next time. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. Let me know that you're watching these. Leave a comment, that's nice. And yeah, I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.